Welcome to How to Play Pizza Tag, a fun game for all ages. We hope you enjoy. This game is nice and simple because you don't need any equipment for this game. Start by choosing 3 or 4 taggers depending on your class size. Everybody else needs to spread out in the playing area. The tagger's job is to run around and attempt to tag as many players as possible. If tagged by a tagger, players should balance on one foot to signal that they've been tagged. Then the fun part, to rescue a teammate, 2 players must work together. So 2 players will need to go up to a tagged player who's balancing on one foot, and then they need to link arms to create a magic barrier around that tagged player. Then, because pizza is my favourite food, you may be free to change the name of this game depending on what you like. The 2 players that have created this magic force field around the player need to say the magic words. Once they say pizza, pizza, pizza 3 times, then they can let go and the tagged player is free to carry on the game as before. Just something to note, when 2 players have linked arms to save someone, they're not allowed to be tagged. Although as soon as they've said the magic words and they start running off, then they can be tagged again. Play for a few minutes and then swap the taggers over as you see fit. We hope you have fun and enjoy. Okay, here are some adaptations for you to consider. We hope you had fun in today's game and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.